What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Mask Network, which has had a major increase in value. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing, and yes, it has pumped up nearly 45% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $4.23. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? And also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher than what it's worth at the moment? So essentially covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it hit the $20 mark by the end of the year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we've got Mask Network as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. We can see here in the last hour itself managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, it managed to gain 44%, over the week 30%, and over the month a massive 100%, as you can see, consistently going up in value with very minimal dips here and there in between. But overall, it has been performing very well over the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 660%, making it $587 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Mask Network. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it has been getting a lot of hype, a lot of attention, meaning more people are looking into the project and they're also investing into it as it's pumping up in value. But again, depending if you're in a short-term or long-term trader, there may be risks involved, which I will be going through later on in the video as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using right now to do some not technical analysis, price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Mask Network, which is $3.12. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at $4.20, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Mask Network to be hitting about $4.40 to $4.50. Again, it is going to be a slow and steady increase. Again, do expect dips in between as well. They're very likely we are going to see red candles in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. So an overall increase in value is what is expected from Mask Network over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish. Again, we're not looking as steep, but we still got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Mask Network over the coming days. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, very early next week, I'm expecting once again an overall increase in value from Mask Network, and at this point I'm expecting it to be hitting about $5.20 at least towards the end of this week. However, guys, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days when it's going to drop, green days where it's going to pump up and down, but it clearly means the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Mask Network over the coming days. So trading around $5.20 over the next week or so is what my expectations are. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? I'm expecting bullish lines again. Yes, we are looking much steeper. Again, we've got the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction still. So an overall increase in value is once again expected over the long term as well. So over the next not very long term, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid-March to late March 2023, I'm expecting Mask Network to be hitting about $9 is what I'm expecting. Again, yes, it may look like $9 is, a huge increase in value, but if we do manage to give it a good 6 to 8 weeks, guys, I'm pretty sure Mask Network should be able to hit the $9 mark, especially with how much it's pumped since the start of the year. As you can see, over 100%. If it manages to gain that much, or stay around that range over the next 6 to 8 weeks, it should definitely be able to hit the $9 mark, unless of course the crypto market goes for a crash or a major bull run or a price pump. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Mask Network, but the crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, guys, I'm here to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Mask Network, except for the short term, because I am expecting it to drop down a little bit before it pumps back up in value. So again, short term always has its risks, because again, I'm not saying long term doesn't have risks. Of course it does. Cryptocurrency overall is a very volatile market, but again, short term for me anyways is very risky, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, just because of how volatile it is. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a while to go to hit the resistance target here of $5.98, which we should be able to hit over the next 4 to 6 weeks, and we will resist. It's going to drop back into the red zone, and we should be able to break out from the red zone into the green zone by late March and early April as well. I'm expecting Mask Network to be trading in the green zone over the next 6 to 8 weeks. We should be able to break out and head into the green zone and potentially able to hit the $10 mark by mid-year, and again, as I mentioned in the thumbnail, $20 mark by second half of the year. Q3 to Q4 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Mask Network to be hitting the $20 mark. Of course, it depends on the market conditions, but yeah, if you guys want regular updates on Mask Network on this channel, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out and hit the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.